This video clip shows you how to search for sites in the Awsome system. There are two ways to search for sites. If you go to your Order of Actions menu, you'll note two ways to search for sites. One is called Site Search, and one is called Auditor Selection, where you also select audits to audit. Site Search brings up one record only. Auditor Selection will display all the records in the database. To do a search for a singular site, I'll go to the Site Search feature. In this case, I want to search for a warehousing location. I will type in the number, which I know to be 340001, and as I'm typing, a match will be found. In this case, you'll see a match has been found. 34001 is linked to Gilbert Plains Consumer Co-op. If I click on the blue box, the record will appear. This is the site record. You'll see up top in the blue box an information summary for the location, which includes their name and address, and it's active. 0001 is the last four digits of the certification number, and that's the root number for this file. You'll see here addresses. We always ask auditors to capture both the mailing and the physical address. For all of our codes, Protocol A1 identifies the physical location. That's important to store that in the system. You'll also see as well here which programs this location is active for. In this case, AWSA and SEED. There are also additional fields here of more information. If I click the main logo, I'm back at the main menu. Clicking on Auditor Actions, I can also do a search under Audit Selection. Audit Selection brings up a list of all of the locations in the database. You'll see here there are headers for all of the columns. You can sort these columns in either ascending or descending order by clicking on the gray button next to it. To do a detailed search, go to the search box. Again, the blue buttons bring up help screens. Let's say I want to find all of the Cargill locations. I'll type in the word Cargill, and as I'm typing, information is displayed. Let's say I also want to have Cargill for all the locations in Ontario. If I do a space and type in ON for Ontario, the search now is further refined to have the Ontario ones showing first. If I also wanted to have all the ones done by Auditor Bernie Benoit in Ontario for Cargill, I type in Bernie. And as I'm typing, the search feature gets more refined. This can work for all the fields you see in the column headings. To return back to the main menu, click on the Awsome logo. That's the end of the search tutorial.